I wanted to share this firewood and kindling box I made using nothing but scrap wood. It's mostly 2x6s and other pieces of wood I had laying around. And if this was going in my house, I definitely would spend some time sanding it, staining it, making it more like a piece of furniture. What I did on the inside was I made 2 separate compartments. This front one is for wood shavings, kindling, and it goes down about 10 inches. This other compartment is just for firewood. And this place I work at now, we have tons of scrap wood, 2x4s, 1x6s, so I have free firewood for life. And with this box, everything is ready. I can build a fire much quicker. I just have to keep this box stocked and I'm set. This firewood box will stay outside. And right now I got my wood stove going. It is minus 34 wind chill outside, which is actually a lot warmer than it's been. It's snowing, blowing, windy, miserable out there. I'm nice and toasty inside my shed. Really happy with this box.